Welcome to SC Custom Design. Steve, you're not in your wood shop. Where in the world are you now? Well, we're in the office of Lou's office here, and somebody asked Lou, actually Lou asked somebody, what can I do with my sign here? And so here's a sign. It's a 68-pound sign. Follow the series every step of the way on how we created this. So I was very humbled that I was approached and asked to make a coffee table for the unit. And I had a look around the office. I'm like, I see lots of straight, and you know, I really had to stick to that theme. So we did. And I know I had no idea what this is going to look like. Lou, did you have any idea?
I didn't, but I am extremely happy with how it came out.
Cool.
And everyone that comes in the room for a meeting comments on how much they like the sign.
That is the success of a project. And so at any rate, thank you for letting me come in. Just a real quick video to say thank you. And I also am very proud of this. I feel like it's a part of the family now. You know, you work on something for so long and it just becomes a part of you. And I'm so glad that, again, you let me do this for you. So thank you, Lou.
Right, and just one word of explanation is because our company was sold and took on a new name, we had this original sign, and rather than just dispose of it, Steve and I thought of a great idea to turn it into a coffee table. And so it keeps us in touch with our roots, and also provides a great function for all meetings we have here in the office. So Steve, you did a great job. Thank you.
You're welcome, and thank you very much. All right, guys, that's it. It's just really something really quick. Thanks, and have a safe Friday, and let's keep up those projects and have a lot of fun in the wood shop. Bye-bye.